Good morning or afternoon or night, depending on where you are. But no matter what time it is, these chicken quesadillas are delicious to enjoy anytime. So let's get our ingredients and get started. After you thoroughly washed your chicken under running water, slice it up into cubes, bite size to be exact. Next, we're going to season the chicken. I'm starting with the garlic salt, onion powder, and a little ground cumin. And again, this can vary depending on how much spices you like on it, but seasoning the chicken is a must. Okay, now in a pan you're going to add some oil, just a little. And someone just told me to try adding a little bit of butter on it. Not a lot, maybe a teaspoon. They said they get really good results with that, but I don't know. This is my first time trying it, so let's see. Let's throw in our chicken. I adjust our flame just a little bit here. After about 10 minutes, 13 minutes, it should look like this. Now at this point, turn the flame off. You want to drain the chicken and set it aside for now. Now what you want to do here is take a tortilla and get some vegetable oil and just lightly, very lightly, brush it along one side of the tortilla. This is going to be the side that's going to be on the grill or frying pan, whatever you have. I'm using a grill because I want to put the little grill marks on there. And you'll see when it's done what I mean, what I'm talking about. This is very thin. It's well spread out. Flip the tortilla over. Take your cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese that you want. Mozzarella, any cheese, your favorite cheese will work. Put a little layer of cheese down here at the bottom. Nice thin layer like that. By this time your chicken has cooled down. Drop a few pieces of chicken in there like so. Throw some more cheese on the top. Like that. And again, this is something that, you know, it's individual. You can use more cheese, you can use less. It's all up to you. Take your tortilla and gently put it on the grill. You can kind of hear it sizzling away there. I kind of like to push it down a little bit, make sure it's well cooked there. Flip it over, and that's what you should have. Two to 3 minutes each side, 3 to 4 depending on your heat. And there you have it. I never could do this right, but you get the idea. I love eating my projects.